Hi, I am Fitness Consultant. I am providing food safety approvals from Dubai Municipality, Food Safety Department. Uh, this is a layout which I got approved without having any comment from Dubai Municipality. And I have a approved copy also for this one, and I will show you. This is the approved copy, if you can see here. The same AutoCAD file as I showed, and this is the PDF, but this is approved one. Let me show you. This is approval like that we get after approve. This is Food Safety Department, Dubai Municipality, and this is layout assessment. It's for license remark approval. Sorry, remark removal, and this is the date they got approved. And there are some details of the restaurant, and this is the layout. The last page will be the layout. So total we will get 3 pages. This is the stamp here. I think it's not visible. This is the stamp we can see here, and this is the AutoCAD file for this one. This restaurant is in Al Qusais area, Dubai, and here is the detail, the entrance door of the kitchen from inside the restaurant, and this is outdoor outside door just to deliver the food items, storage items. And here is the detail. We have under counter chiller here, tandoor. This is a big kitchen, so tandoor must have one table also, hand wash and table. Then spot stove, we have barbecue grill also, and these are the burners, different types of burners here. The cooking range, and here we have hand wash, and under counter chiller, and again hand wash, and this is the washing area, vegetable wash, meat wash, vegetable, and this is also wash area, and this is high shelves, this is a waste, and this is the dining area of that. Okay, this is the storage area. We can keep the food items here. This is dry store. So if you need any approval, or if you are planning to open a restaurant or cafeteria or meat shop, and you are looking for food approval from the Dubai Municipality Food Safety Department, you can contact me. Or if you need any kind of drawing like fit out submissions, then also you can contact me. Or if you want any office drawing, office partitions, furniture layout, or any other authority drawings, you can contact me also. Okay, so these are the drawings I prepare for this restaurant. It's already got approved. We have flooring existing and proposed. Then we have a ceiling and lighting here. Then we have power layout, and after that we have HVAC layout for the same restaurant. And here we have a ventilation layout with fresh air duct. We have an ecology unit and fresh air unit. Also we have suspended one. For toilet also we have to give the extract fan, and the fire drawings also there, firefighting, fire alarm, and emergency light, then RCP, then two sections. And after that we have this drainage layout with grease trap and other things. And then we have water supply also with water heater, like that. So these are the drawings I have to submit to the municipality construction department. But before to go through, we need to submit this food safety layout to the Dubai Municipality Food Safety Department. After get approval for the kitchen, then only we can submit drawings to the Dubai Municipality Construction Department. Okay. So if you need any kind of approval regarding food safety, you can contact me. I'm available always, and my number is there in the video. You can see my number also there, and you can send me any inquiry if you have. I'm available always to give you the best services and fast delivery. And my name is Iftikhar Ahmed. I'm Dubai based and 15-year experienced draftsman.